Ngayon, meron naman tayong i-unbox guys na mga Funko Pops na napanalunan ko from Sneak and Pop. Merong mga posting dati na may starting bid, may pag-mine, grab, and secure, something like that. So, itong mga pops ito, I wanted to have for quite some time now. So, let's go to the unboxing. As you can see here guys, these are Pikachu and Dragonite na mga Funko Pops. With this Funko na si Pikachu, I have now completed yung parang mga first Pokemons ni Ash Season 1. And I think si Dragonite naging nasa lineup niya na rin nung final na Pokemon League niya, yung napadalunan niya. And isa si Dragonite dun, nasa lineup niya. Like I said last time, I wanted to complete all the first 150 na Pokemon sa Kanto region, and these two are part of that 150 Pokemon. And aside from that guys, I've always wanted to have a Dragonite kasi gusto ko yung mga Dragon type din. Gusto ko sana i-collecta yung mga Dragon type, and hopefully soon meron pang madadagdag sa kanila. And another thing that I like about Dragonite din is that 3-stage evolution line siya. Mula kay Dratini, Dragonair, and sa kanya. And of course, Pikachu, the very, I don't know if he's considered the most popular Pokemon. Pero I believe isa siya sa mga icon talaga ng Pokemon. Favorite ni Ash. And bonus guys, let's also unbox this. The one that I've got from last year when I unboxed yung Bulbasaur, Charizard, saka yung Squirtle para makompleto na natin yung entire starters ng Kanto region. Let's go! So, we have here Charmander guys. Shout out kay Ma'am Maris Aben for hooking me up this so that makompleto ko na yung Kanto region na starters. So, recently may lumabas na 3-in-1 yung Bulbasaur, Squirtle sa Charmander na pop sa isang box. Akala ko mga ganito lang kalaki yung 3-in-1 na yon. Pero when I saw it sa Poptopia Iloilo, napakalaki pala guys. And it was worth, I think, 4,000. Around ganyan. O 4 to 5,000 pesos yata. Sa atin, mga starters lang na individual pops yung kinakolect. So itong mga newly acquired natin na Funko Pops, ilagay natin kasama ng mga nauna nating nabili. Yung mga starters. Yung recently natin na unboxed na Experience by Glacier. Like I said, if may chance, I will try to collect yung first 150, pero I think for now, pahinga muna tayo sa pag-acquire ng mga bagong pops. So let's go and arrange them. Since si Charmander ay before ni Charizard, at saka after yung mga evolutions ng Bulbasaur, kaya natin siya ilagay. And Pikachu being 20-something, hindi natin ilagay. I'm not a huge fan of Pikachu because I'm a Bulbasaur kind of guy. And last, si Dragonite. Napakabigat guys ng pop na Dragonite. Same ng Charizard. Siguro kasi yung sa mold nila na meron pa sila mga pakpak. And si Dragonite. As you can see guys, malaki na yung wall ko, mga bawat groups, mga Shira. Ito yung Big Bang Theory. Meron din ako ditong Straw Hats na paisa-isa, hindi ko nagawa ng unboxing video, and paisa-isa ko lang na-collect. Hindi ko napansin, hindi ko na pala silang nabubuo. So, konti na lang yung kailangan ko. And there are our Pokemon, mga Funko Pops. I think Charizard would look better katabi na yung Dragonite. Try natin transfer kung maganda tignan. So ayun, I think mas maganda itong tignan with the starters na magkakasama and ang si Dragonite saka si Charizard being the final evolutions magkasama din. And I hope they would release more of those kind mga dragon tsaka mga legendaries someday. And I hope I would still be in the collecting game, in the collecting world. I hope guys will support me so I could continue my work. Please do proper engagement, guys. Watch my videos first before clicking yung like button. Kasi lately, parang na-shadow ban ako. Konti na lang yung views ko. Konti na nga. Pero konti pa dahil sa shadow ban. So please guys, kung hindi nyo man lang matapos yung video, please do not click yung like button kasi pareha tayong matatamaan nun. As much as possible, if hindi nyo trip yung videos ko, skip nyo lang. Huwag nyo i-like kasi para shadow ban tayo. And comment your thoughts sa mga videos ko kahit na criticism pa yan. Gusto ko mabasa yan kasi it would help me improve what I do yung paggawa ko ng videos. And if this is in line with your hobbies too, please share and or save to your favorites. Pero guys, I really ask na sana huwag niyong i-like if hindi niya matatapos yung entire video. So please do proper engagement to support my work. And guys, so far yung ating mga Pokemon. And gusto ko pa sanang i-complete yung lahat ng EV. Pero as of now, hindi pa natin afford kumbaga bumili ng additionals. So these guys are my collection. So napakaraming Funko Pops na magandang i-collect. Budget lang talaga yung kulang sa atin ng mga collector. Yun lang guys, yung unboxing natin for today. Salamat sa pagsama. This has been Miligay Notes channel. Start the healing and let it know. God bless everyone.